Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video to show you how you can actually install the energy ring around the punch hole in any Android device. Yes friends, right now it's available for free in the application in the Play Store as well. So which I'll try to show you exactly what is the application I'm trying to use right now, which looks really good for the punch hole type mobile phones. As you can see, the phone has got the punch hole. Doesn't matter what application you use, the energy ring will be completely shown as you can see throughout the time. As you can see friends, exactly. So is the application name, which is called the energy ring, camera notch and the battery indicator. As you can see, this is the exact name of the application, and this application is actually you can use for any other punch hole type mobile phones as well. I mean, if you have the punch hole in the middle, you can use that. If you have the dual punch hole also, you can use that. There are a lot of customizations you can actually do inside this application. So let's start exploring what are the other features you should know about. So first, try to select the type of punch hole. So single type punch hole or dual type punch hole, or maybe this kind of expanded kind of punch hole. What type of punch hole your phone has got? So first try to select that kind of punch hole. So my phone has got the side punch hole, single punch hole, single camera. So that is the reason I did select the single camera only. So after selecting that, you can actually customize the thickness, how much thick you want the line. As you can see, I did put to the maximum because I just want to see the maximum out of the line. That is the reason. And next is try to adjust the position. So where is the punch hole camera position available? As you can see, this is how the punch hole camera position is available exactly. Try to adjust it. So if you are feeling difficulty to adjust, try to click this minus and plus little by little. That will move in little by little only. It's not moving very fast. That's the one thing, easy way to adjust. And apart from the horizontal, there is also option for the vertical position as well. You can actually arrange the vertical position. Definitely the punch hole will be obviously on the top only. Anyway, you can adjust exactly as it is. As you can see exactly. So next is the size of the punch hole. How much you want, how much big you want. That's another thing which a lot of users let it bother. As you can let me to exactly select if you want this much big or you want small one. As you can see friends. So in this way you'll be able to customize, and doesn't matter what application you open, this will be shown on the top. As you can see exactly. Let me to open the game and check whether the games will be displaying or not. I think the games is not showing. Right now I'm trying to play the Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9, it's not showing in the game. As soon as I come outside, it's showing outside. As you can see exactly. Let me to open the gallery. Let's see what happens if I try to open the gallery. Yes, in the gallery application is showing. Let's say the Google Chrome browser is. In the Google Chrome browser also is showing, no issues. Let's see what happens with the Battlegrounds mobile game. In the Battlegrounds mobile, it's not showing. As you can see exactly. So maybe it's not not restricted for the games, I think so at this moment. For the applications, doesn't matter what application you use, you can actually see the energy ring. That's perfect. And apart from that, you do have the speed control. What type of speed you want when it's charging. As you can see. So when it's charging, what type of speed you want, you can actually increase the speed as well. As you can see from the speed increasing. And next is color setting as well. What type of color you want. So 50 to 100%, you want red color, the red color will change. As you can see, you can actually change different customizations as well. As you can see exactly. Try to click on the plus button and you will be able to select different color, and in this way you will be able to customize different. As you can see, 83% to 100% one type of ring, and 63 to 66 to 83 one type of color. You can definitely customize in this way. As you can see friends, which looks fantastic. As you can see friends, that looks really good. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in this way you'll be able to install this energy ring in any Android device. In case if you want to download this TikTok wallpaper, so make sure to join my playlist. So there's a wallpaper playlist which is available. So in this way you'll be able to download the TikTok wallpaper as well. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.